Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making Gujarati Sev Tomatar. That's a very famous dish of Gujarat. So let's start. So take a fry pan, add 1 small teaspoon of oil, spread all over the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, let them crackle, and add 3 finely chopped tomato and toss it. Cook it till tomato is soft. Add little bit of salt. Once your tomato is soft, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and approximately half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it and cook it for a couple of seconds. And then add 1 bowl of bhujia sev or Rajasthani sev or Gujarati sev, whatever you have, and mix it well and cook for another minute or so. Now put gas on low flame and add 1 cup of milk. You can use low fat milk or full cream milk, whatever you want. Full cream milk give very creamy texture. Low fat milk will give little less creamy. And now cook for another minute on high flame, continuously stirring till the gravy is thick. If you want, you can use kasuri methi for flavoring. So after approximately 1 minute of cooking, your gravy is thick and your Gujarati Sev Tomatar is ready to serve.